no me never cannot no fit. Yeah, he's out. Me say, listen, ladies, again, me never cannot no for you, me never cannot no for you. Come from me, me never cannot no for you, cannot no for you, me never cannot no for you. Come from Britain, me never cannot no for you. No, they from Jamaica and me go a Britain. When me come back, me carry Willie for something. Me carry for me sister, niece, me nephew, uncle, auntie, me brother and me grandmother too. Why for me picking in no shot or nothing. Everything where them get in a dozen. Me carry 12 panty, me give away 11. And the last one they left me don't share that even. So I cannot no for you, me never cannot no for you. Come from Britain, me never cannot no for you. Cannot no for you, me never cannot no for you. Come from Britain, me never cannot no for you. No, this is a girl you ever live a back to. Want me care something for her from around 19 nothing. When me beg her dogo, she tell me I expect say me must give her something real. She must check say me a big taco her. Me a the manager for Vegas bureau. Me policy no mark alley but me get nothing. What? To the policy or something for something. She tell me yesterday answer me man, no you do. That a hypocrite me say Lena what she say. You must carry back the whole labyrinth. You know cannot no for me and me answer. Me say you want sit and she answer. Me say come quick and make me give it to you. When I bust a pansy and she prep the boss. She take time get up and then me only hear. Dumping up past a crowd of people. Another way I must say flash garden. Cause when me hear the vote, me no see nothing. Only the footprint alone she left in the garden. So what? Cannot no for you, me never cannot. Hello, yes. Hello, yes. No! Some people would have want you to give. And no for them not care how you live. So you come from foreign and look but them would have want you to give away your ass and shit through your ribs like the girl never named Beverly. I bribe me to give it to me little legacy. I talk about loving dear come from 80 and him start downtown and a scramble panty. Me say scramble panty, she say scramble panty. She said me get two but they couldn't fit me. She said the reason why they couldn't fit me because it look like him bring them for fat lady. Tap on the body part, the right up on the mark ladder man say if I was to keep it up enough. Watch it, fatty. I said, listen.